Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. My name is Chef Fran, it's my sister Chef Ian.
How we doing today?
And so on deck here, we have, because Ian's afraid of the little heat from the pepper jack, so I have a wonderful, like when you're eating something that's hot, you want to, and you're not one that's really used to a little kick in your life of spice. You want to have something that's sweet to balance it out, or you have milk. Not water. Remember guys, no water when you're eating something hot. So on deck here, we have our apricot preserve, and we have 5 different cheeses. Yeah, you heard me. We have our Gouda cheese, our Swiss cheese, our cheddar cheese, our havarti cheese, and our pepper jack. And we have some tasty Hawaiian bread. And instead of using butter for our grilled cheese, I like to use mayo on the outside because it allows it not to burn as quickly when you use butter. So, and of course we usually have our key star players that are always here hanging out with us. It's some Himalayan salt and some black pepper, which we may or may not use. So we're gonna get into our vitamin content. Here's our vitamin content. Okay, E, so do you want all the cheeses, or what cheese do you want on your sandwich?
Why don't you surprise me? I'll leave it up to
Okay.
you. I'll leave it up to you.
I'm gonna give you everything.
Okay, that's the best way to try everything, right?
Yeah, and we're gonna like mix it all up on your.
Okay, sounds good.
Yep. Here you go. Give you everything. Earthy.
Even
Okay.
the pepper jack.
Yeah,
Huh?
even the pepper jack. You got it. I wouldn't be a good friend if I didn't.
Okay.
Now, a lot of times in the cooking world, your glue is, what is it, Ian?
The cheese.
Your cheese.
Yes, the cheese is the glue.
And so that is what's happening here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Start here. I'm gonna give you a little bit of, oh no, we're gonna give you some pepper jack now.
Okay.
Are you scared?
Nah, I can handle it.
No, because you know what we're about to do, Ian?
What? You're gonna put a little bit of the.
We're gonna put a little bit of the apricot for you here.
Okay.
Okay, so we've completed what's gonna be Ian's. Here, put like some of different cheeses here from. I put a little pepper jack since he's a big baby. And
yes.
so let's give you a little bit more preserves here. So here again, we are going to use mayo as opposed to butter. So we're going to put this flat side down. Okay, and so what we're going to do on the top here, spread this out, huh?
Yes.
Because he's closer to the grill. Just putting the mayo here. Like I said, I think it's a little bit better than butter. And just gonna close it up and let it kind of steam down and cook. I want to get this down, get this cooking. And here are a list of ingredients. Our triple decker sandwiches have 5 cheese in them.
Wow.
Let's name them, Ian. We have pepper jack.
We have cheddar.
Cheddar.
We have havarti.
Havarti.
And we have Gouda.
Gouda.
And what's the last one? Pepper jack, havarti, Gouda.
The whole
Oh yeah, which is Swiss?
Swiss.
Yes.
So we have that with our wheat Hawaiian bread. And and we have some tostones, which are really like plantain chips. I know you're used to seeing the ones that's in the cheaply bag, but it's the real deal here.
Yes, we do.
And it's nice and crunchy and it's like crispy. So Ian,
Bon appetit.
bon appetit.
Oh, look,
Hear that crunch, guys?
Oh boy.
Get into the sandwich.
Oh,
Do you
boy.
guys see this cheese here? This ooey goodness cheese? Mmm.
Oh, my
Hold
God.
on.
Oh, forgive you.
Wow.
Unbelievable.
See all that melted cheese?
Mm-hmm.
All that melted cheese here? Absolutely delicious. That preserve really just kind of elevates this.
Mm-hmm.
It's not overly sweet.
Mm-mm.
You just taste a little sweetness. You get a little pieces of the apricot. You taste all the 5 flavors of the cheeses going on here.
Mm-hmm.
So you're having a disco in your mouth, a disco party,
Well,
and you
then.
have the little saltiness from the bacon in here, and the crispiness of the bread. Don't forget to click the like button. When you click the like button, you give us a virtual hug. We love you guys. Thank you for hanging out with us today. We really appreciate it. We want you to come back and hang with us again.
Please do.
Love you guys. Bye.
Bye.